6 tips to make perfect pan-fried fish.
If you enjoy fishing or cooking, please consider subscribing to my channel.
These tips works for any panfish, such as this sea perch. 5 minutes for preparation and 10 minutes for cooking. 1. Dry the fish with paper towel. 2. Cover it with dry seasoning such as salt and pepper. 3. Wipe the pan with ginger. 4. Add fish to hot pan with warm oil. Cooking time for this size is around 10 minutes. Five. Don't move the fish much until you are ready to turn to the other side. 6. Use a non-sticky pan, which allows you to use less oil. With some cumin, this dish becomes ready. How does it taste? Let me try.